Hey, it's been a long time. Use Wonder for today's makeup. Water light stick to moisturize the whole. This water light stick is really super moist. Kind of oily. The oily and sticky feeling. I just need you to paint it. Better give it to him with your hands. It would be better to rub it. Otherwise, I feel that it may be on the follow-up makeup. Well, there will be a feeling of floating on the face. I personally think so, but the overall moisture level is still very good. Today, the base makeup uses the air cushion of Givenchy. Then for the color number, we'd better try to choose it today. The kind that is cold and white. Foundation color. Speaking of Givenchy, I seem to have bought the first one. The expensive cosmetics brand is Givenchy, so I have an inexplicable affection for him. Use us again. Pink white brightening. Today, the whole process is 1.2 times faster. I didn't know you would like me. Well, this feeling of speeding up a little bit. Or say, I'll still speed you up to 1.5x the whole way. Or double speed. Of course you can too. It's double speed at a higher speed. It is also possible to see. Same here. I found that I am now. It's best not to focus on covering the tear ditch. I feel weird when I cover my tear ditch. And my tear furrows are not good around my eyes. So I'm going to have some blemishes on my face right now. Especially the tear ditch. I don't care about it. Brightening or the whole is the top in the face. Pat it open with a small puff. This brightening has really appeared many times, but recently I prefer to use the C. It's Mal Geffing's High Gloss Cream. These two are brightened if you use more. Need to draw some complexion? I would choose to paint only the small pink and white one. Then you need something more advanced, or naturally inflated. I will choose Mal Geffing's highlight. Still the same, the part of the nose that brightens must be patted lightly. Don't give him too much range. Try to keep us. It is the shadowy space of its own nose shadow. Then there is the brightening of the corners of the mouth and chin. I'm all very small, then use less. Take out our setting powder. The color of my powder is a little dark. If you have conditions, the best option is transparency, loose powder or the brighter kind. Eyebrow powder. This time we choose these two colors to be brownish. Color system, mix it up. Roughly describe the shape of our own eyebrow shape. About your eyebrows. Well, I think you have to. Go by yourself according to that 3/4 and to adjust the shape of your eyebrows. An eyebrow length or something. And here's some fluffy flue. Also used a dark brown eyebrow pencil. Finally use a brown one. Eyebrow cream. Dye the whole eyebrow the same color. I feel like my eyebrow dye is a little bit colored. It's warm. If you change it to that cooler color, might be a little better. I used this repair party from Tachibana today. In fact, he is also easy to use. Well, because of the evaluation, he really did a good job of repairing the faceplate. Then add me to go to Japan. I found out people over there seem to like to use this. The description plate of tangerine blossoms. I don't know why I walked out. Country. We use first. Roughly set a few points. Take a look. Then sweep him away. You can pay more attention here. How do I brush? You see, I'm brushing. My brush might turn a little. Is it easier? This is also my later. When watching your own makeup teaching video, make up yourself and don't notice at all. I will turn the brush. Slowly sweep the back of the nose like this. Today's nose shadow is more natural. Basically only this time. Overall smudge shape. Because my nose is still fleshy. It used to be hard to accept, but now I accept it. Try to bring it to the eye socket as much as possible. And ours. The lower eyeshadow side should only deepen the second half as much as possible. Then just go through the first half a little bit. Brighten with. To brighten the nose part many times. Rub it with your finger after brightening, because it will bring us to the shaded part. May cover the shadows. We'll rub it clean with our fingers. The bridge of the nose is brightened, that is, the entire bridge of the nose. Try to brighten it up a little wider. Weak our noses like this. The most central point of the nose is. Be considerate. Let's be whole. The bridge of the nose also looks narrower. The center point looks a little higher for the nose. Here's a lot to brighten the corners of our eyes. Then this. Shadow and brighten. The dividing line will be clearer. Brighten up our brow bones again. Eyeshadow for this plate. This plate is really versatile. Use this first on the end of our eyes. First, click to shoot up. Click to shoot up. Then smudge it on a small scale. Take it forward on a large scale. Must pay attention here, because our deepest part is at the end of the eye. Use the same color for the lower eyeshadow. Try to deepen the second half, then drop the eyeshadow down to more smudges. Get dizzy. This allows the hole. The eyes make up a little bigger. Alright, use this one again. The color is lighter than the one just colored. Can you see? Must be shallower than the one just now. On us just now, the part that doesn't go up much in the middle of the eyelids. Double eyelid sticking method. Top video, if you are interested, you can take a look. Just stick it as that kind of super large flat fan. However, this flat fan will press the eyes more. Just makes it possible for you. Looks a little haunted. The feeling that my eyes can't be opened. This part is the basic operation. Curl the eyelashes and then brush the upper and lower eyelashes. Use the slender one first, or the one with the setting effect. Then use the dense type to remove the secondary superposition. And a dark brown to draw our eyeliner. Give the eyeliner a base first. Okay, here look at the corner of the eye. First draw the upper corner of the eye and the lower corner of our eye. Don't worry about whether they are connected in the middle. Wrinkle your eyes again. Hey, why isn't it wrinkled yet? Go further here and connect to about. Under our eyeballs. Then wrinkle. Fill in the empty space in the middle for it. Try to tick down a bit. This way the corners of our eyes will be more natural in shape. Okay, take it again. Try to bring it under our eyeballs. Back a little. Okay, let's go ahead. Eyeliner above the eyelids. Just keep filling in with this dark brown one. Draw that outer eyeliner with us with an eyeliner pen. It's the same as the inner eyeliner. Fill in ours first, and then extend it further. Continue to the end of our eyes. Extend by 2 to 3 millimeters. You can try your best when taking powder in this step. Take less, or shake the powder as much as possible after taking the red. Otherwise, this step is easy. with that powder on your face might make the makeup look a little dirty. Or choose the one that won't. Eyeshadow with powdered mashed potatoes texture. The false eyelashes are pasted in this shape. Just stick it to your eyes as much as possible. With our eyeliner pen, along the end of the eye, we just draw the bottom of that eyeliner for him. Then pull out. It is to draw in the direction of our eyelashes. You see, I keep it open. What you can almost see is, it is in the same direction as the eyelashes, almost integrated. Adjust the shape of our eyeliner. Up is to fill in the upper layer of eyeliner for mother. Then keep opening your eyes and squinting to adjust. Connect more naturally. That's almost there, but this eyeliner looks a little dull. So it's cooled. Just give him a little longer tip. And take out the dark brown one we just had. Go get the top half of our eyeliner. Give it a smudge, the feeling of smudging into fog. Then gently clip the real and false eyelashes, because this false eyelash is glue-free. With our grooming colors, give Eyeshadow a base. The Eyeshadow doesn't need to be too wide this time. As narrow as possible, then focus on the first half. Just deepen the first half. The tail is slightly wrapped. Wrap it up a little. It will be more natural to rub it with your fingers again, with just dark brown. Draw a finger. Connect to just us. The position of the corner of the eye. The direction of the smudge. Then faint in the direction of the lower limbs of the eyelids with a pure white to brighten our double eyelids. A small part in front of. Brighten up what I'm talking about. Lighten up anyway. Just throw it away one by one. You see, the places I highlight are very, very few. Not the whole eye is brightened. If you can, just light up to the previous one. Double eyelid folds are about the same width. Then the focus deepens. Out of the corner of our eyes. The brightest place to brighten is in the corner of our eyes. Take our Eyeshadow for a while. Brighten up a little. It's okay if you can't see it. Ready to copy and paste. Take out this blush. This will be a bit fluorescent but very complexion. This one is orange and milk apricot. Take another one, darker earth orange. Pressure on the outer contours of our cheekbones. The whole is about evenly with a nose. Just bring a little color in a small amount. Or lip liner as a base. Wrap the entire lower lip. It's a more conventional way of drawing. Wrap the lower lip whole. But our mouths. Two of the lower lip, side as much as possible, a little bit outward. It'll look fuller. Here is a drawing of smiling lips. But I don't think smiling lips are very well drawn. You can go to the reference drawing good blogger. Wrap it back a little more on the upper lip. To draw smiling lips is to wrap it back a little bit. Then smudge him directly with a lip brush. Why not deepen people? Because I think it's the same whether I deepen it or not. I'm not suitable for deepening people. Use this color as a base first. I think this color cannot, because he's very light. As soon as he unscrews it, It's almost gone. Then use a lip brush to smudge the whole lip. Just smudge it on this color. It's a very light color. Kind of. It's the feeling of its own solid color, and it feels a little mushy. Well, try to put all the liquid foundation on your lips. Rub a little clean. The edge can be left a little bit. It doesn't affect. Mainly the color of this one. This color will be tender. Pink. Stack it in the middle of your lips and sip it clearly. Just sip until it's natural. Finally, the bridge of the nose is brightened with pure white.